Hello everyone. Now today in this particular guide, I will be showing you how to unblock your Alice Blue trading account. So if your account is right now blocked, I will show you a proper step-by-step process that you can follow to unblock your Alice Blue trading account. Okay, so the very first thing that you need to do is to go to the Alice Blue's Ant login page. Now over this particular login page, you will find this unblock account option just beside the forgot password option. So just select that unblock account option and you will be redirected to this particular section where it's asking you for your user ID and PAN number. So here just enter those details and recheck it again before you proceeding further. Okay, now here you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. You just need to enter that and then hit next. And now your account is successfully unblocked. As you can see here in the top right corner, you will get a success pop-up where it says user unblocked successfully. Now here it redirects us again to the login page. So here let's enter our login credentials, click on next, enter our mobile OTP, and here we go. We are now able to log into our account. So that's all for this particular guide, and make sure you hit that like button if you found this particular guide helpful, and follow our YouTube channel for more guides like this. Investments in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.